Hi, we're SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 20 white enclosed trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains. This enclosed trailer does have an extended tongue. There is 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of your V-nose. This enclosed trailer has a white screwed exterior as well as teardrop aluminum fenders. Coming along to the rear, we do have a spring assisted loading ramp as well as LED brake lights. This trailer comes with 4 tie-down points, 2 at the rear and 2 at the front of your enclosed trailer. There is a 36-inch passenger side door with your step. This trailer does have 2 12-volt dome lights, one at the front by your door and one at the rear by the loading ramp. We have our spring assist system as well as 2 vents, one at the rear of your trailer and one at the front of your trailer. There are plywood walls and floors. This enclosed trailer does have 2 5,200-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. We have the side passenger door from the outside of your trailer. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 20 enclosed trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.